Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E capsules to remove dark circles. Dark circles can make you look tired, but vitamin E offers a natural solution. This powerful antioxidant helps to nourish and repair the delicate skin around your eyes. We'll explore its benefits and provide a simple, effective method for application. Get ready to learn how to brighten your under-eye area and achieve a more refreshed appearance. Vitamin E is a fantastic ally against dark circles due to its potent antioxidant nature. It actively fights against environmental damage, which often contributes to skin discoloration. By promoting the regeneration of healthy skin cells, it helps to gradually lighten the pigmented areas under your eyes. Furthermore, its ability to boost circulation ensures that blood flow is optimized, diminishing the bluish or purplish tint often associated with dark circles. Plus, it's a superb moisturizer. Applying vitamin E for dark circles is incredibly simple. First, ensure your face is clean and free of any makeup. Next, take one vitamin E capsule and carefully puncture it with a clean pin or needle to extract the oil. Gently dab a small amount of this oil directly onto your dark circles. Using your ring finger, lightly massage the oil into the skin for about 60 seconds. For best results, leave the oil on overnight while you sleep. To achieve the best results, consistency is absolutely crucial. Make applying vitamin E oil a part of your nightly skincare routine. Complement this by maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep every night, as fatigue significantly contributes to dark circles. Remember to drink plenty of water, around 8 glasses daily, and always protect your delicate under-eye skin from the sun. With these steps, you'll see a noticeable difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.